What's the meaning of assertive? Assertive. Assertive.
Assertive. Assertive. Assertive means confidently expressing your opinions, feelings or needs in a way that shows you are self-assured and not afraid to stand up for yourself. When someone is assertive, they communicate in a clear and direct manner, without being aggressive or passive. This behavior can help them establish boundaries, negotiate effectively, and build mutually respectful relationships with others. Being assertive requires a balance of assertiveness and respect for others' opinions and feelings. Developing assertiveness skills can be beneficial in personal and professional settings, leading to better communication and more successful outcomes in various situations.